The AI revolution is here. Here are 5 game-changing trends to watch in 2025. No. 1. AI-powered personalization. By 2025, every single one of us will have our own AI assistant. This AI will know us better than we know ourselves. It will have all of our personal data, all of our preferences, our likes and dislikes, our habits, our goals, our dreams, and it will use this knowledge to create personalized experiences for us in every aspect of our lives. For example, imagine an AI that helps you plan your entire day, reminding you of your commitments, suggesting activities based on your interests, even helping you make decisions based on your values and priorities. Number 2, AI automation. AI is going to automate a lot of the mundane tasks that we do every day. This means that we'll have more time to focus on the things that really matter to us. For example, AI-powered tools can help us with things like scheduling appointments, managing our finances, even cooking our food. This will free up our time and our mental space to focus on more important things in our lives. No. 3. AI-driven healthcare. AI is going to revolutionize the way that we approach healthcare. AI-powered tools will be able to analyze our data and identify patterns that humans can't. This will help us to diagnose diseases earlier and develop new treatments and cures. AI will also help us to personalize our healthcare by taking into account our individual needs and preferences. Number 4, AI-powered education. AI is going to change the way that we learn by providing us with personalized learning experiences that are tailored to our needs. AI tutors can help us to learn new skills more quickly and efficiently. They can also help us to practice those skills in a safe environment so that we can get better at them. No. 5. AI creativity. AI is going to enable us to express ourselves in new and creative ways. AI-powered tools can help us to generate new ideas and concepts. They can also help us to bring those ideas to life through things like art and music. These are just a few of the ways that AI is going to change our lives in the future. What other ways can you think of? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI, check out our other videos on this channel. We have some amazing content there that you're sure to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.